So if you feel like your live trading account, or the money that you're going to put into an account with a broker to make money with, if you feel it's too small of a size account, you could use a funded account these days. So here is Stealth Trader, one of our partners here at Trading College, and if you drop down here, you can open a funded account with as little as $250. So this is a great opportunity for traders that feel like they're underfunded with their trading account to now just pay $250 for a $25,000 account, $400 for a 50k account, $700 for £100,000, guys. I mean, funded accounts are absolutely fantastic because all you're risking is this signing on fee, really, which is the subscription. It's not a subscription, it's not recurring at all, it's just a one-off fee. And what you've got to do then is meet the challenge guidelines. So on this particular one here, the 25,000, you can't have a maximum loss of 5%, which is good, isn't it? You don't want to lose 5%. Remember, what we're trying to do here at Trading College is not only make you a profitable trader instantly, but to be consistently profitable. And to do that, you need to manage your maximum loss per day. And as I said in the course, the people that don't do very well with trading never think about the losses, only think about the gains. Of course, we want to think about the gains at some point because it's great to make money, but it's the maximum loss that we're looking at. Okay? And this is training us really to making sure we've got a stop loss in place and so on. All right, so you get different size of funded accounts, and you can trade from your charting platform with our indicators and systems on, and basically you can just trade with an account that's much bigger. And what it is good at here, it just gives you that little bit of discipline as well, because obviously if you do break your rules, then you've only lost this amount of money, and you certainly don't want to do that again, because we want to be growing that account. Once you've passed either step one, step two here, you've got to do 2 challenges. Step 1, you've only got to do 1 challenge to reach a certain goal on your account, whichever one you're choosing. Once you've reached that account goal, then you get a live account, and then you can bank the profits. Okay, so once you make some nice profits, you can get up to 90% of those profits, which is great, isn't it? And some of these funded accounts can obviously link to our trading bot. We've got great results with our bot traders that are trading, linking up funded accounts. We've got one trader that's linked up $5 million accounts with different funded accounts with the bot. So he's got a great life because he just places one trade, or he doesn't even place the trade. The bot places the trade, and it gets dispersed into his funded accounts. Fantastic way of trading. But let me tell you something, guys. All the while, he is managing his risk on each trade. He only loses a small amount on each trade. And I'm not going to say that enough times, just so you guys can understand that it's all about managing the risk, and then the profits take care of themselves. So this is funded accounts. If you've got any questions, let us know. But it really is something that is fantastic. And I'll speak to you soon.